Good morning, class 12, business study. Today we are doing another topic in marketing management, that is function of marketing. Following are the function of marketing. Number one, gathering and analyzing market information, that is market research. Before going to launch our product in the market, we have to do a thorough research or survey in the market. What are the needs of customer? What do they want? How their needs can be satisfied. Therefore, a marketing research is to be done. Marketing research become the basic of product development. प्रोडक्ट को डेवलप करने से पहले, उसको मार्केट में लाने से पहले एक पूरी तरह से रिसर्च करनी ज़रूरी है. For this, we can use one word, SWOT analysis. What is SWOT analysis? SWOT, S stands for strength, W stands for weakness, O stands for opportunity, and T stands for threat. What are the strength of the company? How company can use its potential in the market, and what are the weak areas where a company may or may not be able to stand properly, and what the opportunities are available which can be converted into products, and threats means what kind of competition is available in the market that we have to study. While gathering information from the marketeer focuses on the opportunities and threats in the market. कि मार्केट में क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं. अपॉर्चुनिटी हर जगह होती हैं. इट इज़ द मार्केटियर हु हैज़ टू आइडेंटिफाई दीज अपॉर्चुनिटीज and uses their strength to capture and grab the opportunities. Then that marketeer, that producer, that seller, that businessman, he uses his strength to capture those opportunities and convert those opportunities into business and prepare policies and plans to overcome their weaknesses and threats. वीकनेसेस की खुद कंपनी में क्या वीकनेसेस हैं और थ्रेट्स जो कंपिटिटर्स जो है मार्केट में है जिनको हमें फेस करना पड़ेगा, तो उन चीज़ों को हम अपनी स्ट्रेंथ के द्वारा दूर कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप, गैदरिंग एंड एनालाइजिंग मार्केटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन. नेक्स्ट इज मार्केटिंग प्लानिंग. After conducting marketing research, the marketeer has to plan the steps necessary to achieve marketing objective under marketing planning. हमें प्लान करना पड़ेगा कि what do we want to do? Do we want to increase our sale? Do we want to launch a new product into the market? Do we have plan to make certain changes in the existing product? That we have to make the plan before designing our product. So this is the another function of the marketeer. Okay, what plan we are going to make. Here like example is given. Suppose a marketeer on conducting the research found that he had 10% share in the market. This he came to know after marketing research. Now he can make a plan to increase his share to 30%. Then in order to increase the sale by 30%, then he has to make a plan what to do and what not to do. In the same way, by research he can come to know that in this market such kind of product can be launched. Then a marketeer will design that product and make a plan for that product. The another function of the marketeer is, or marketing is, product designing and development. Now that marketeer will design the product. He will design the product in such a way that that product should be utilized, useful to the customer. While deciding the product, while designing the product, he must maintain the quality standard of the product. What shape of the product is to be given, what will be the usage of the product, what kind of packing we are going to do, how many types of the model of that product we are going to give to the consumer, what will be the ranges of the product. All these things will be taken under the product designing. And when we design the product, we should see the competitors' product also. Okay, how what kind of product competitors are producing, what is their design, what is their price. Then by taking in the view or by taking into consideration the competitor's product, we should design the product. For taking all these decisions, proper product planning is done by the marketeer. For example, if marketeer is dealing with the refrigerator, then in product planning they decide the quality standard, size of refrigerator, color, design, technology, etc. All these things he has to taken into account. Next is standardization and grading. This is very important aspect which is to be taken by the marketeer. Standardization means if we adopt our standard technology to maintain the quality, then there will be harmony in our product. We would be able to produce the same product with the same quality, with the same technique each and every time. There will be no differentiation in the product, and quality will be of standard quality, and a good price can be charged from the customer. But when we are not using a standard technology, then at every time there may be little bit difference in the product. In that case, we have to do grading. What is the meaning of grading? Grading means classifying the product on some basis. What are those bases? The basis of classification can be like size, quality, etc. Grading is necessary when companies are not following the technique of standardization. जब हम एक प्रॉपर क्वालिटी टेक्निक यूज़ नहीं करते हैं तो ग्रेडिंग कंपलसरी हो जाती है. थ्रू ग्रेडिंग मार्केटियर कैन गेट हायर प्राइस फॉर क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट, एंड ग्रेडिंग इज जनरली यूज्ड इन एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट्स. ज़्यादातर ग्रेडिंग एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट्स में यूज की जाती है. दैट इज द अनदर फंक्शन, स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन एंड ग्रेडिंग. Next is packaging and labeling is another function of marketing. After designing the product, we will decide what would be the packing of the product. Packing is very essential element of a product because a packaging save our product from the outer environment, from its like damages, from its moisture, and it is easy to carry if a proper packing is done. That's why packaging, it is another important decision. Packing in attracts the customer to buy a particular product, and with packing, labeling is also done. What is the meaning of labeling? In labeling, the all information related to the product are mentioned on packing. That is known as labeling. That is what kind of information? That is like date of manufacturing, date of expiry, price, MRP, that ingredients, etc. Next important function done by the marketing is branding. It is very essential part because people know the product by its brand, by its name. A brand may be name of the product, or brand may be a symbol of the product. Like Sony, it's a brand. BPL, it is a brand. Nokia, all these are brands. And if you see, branding can be a symbol also. Like you have seen, Pepsi has its own symbol, Reebok has its own symbol, Nike has its own symbol. So people will come to know about your product if branding is there. Branding means giving a special name to the product. Companies may decide to sell the product in company's name, or they may decide a special brand. कंपनी अपने प्रोडक्ट को एक कंपनी के नाम से भी बेच सकती है. जैसे सोनी के जितने भी आइटम हैं, चाहे वो टीवी हैं, चाहे वो कैमराज हैं, वो सारे के सारे सोनी के नाम से हैं. बट जैसे हिंदुस्तान यूनिवर लिमिटेड है, हिंदुस्तान यूनिवर लिमिटेड अपनी किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को हिंदुस्तान यूनिवर लिमिटेड के नाम से नहीं बेचती है. उसके हर प्रोडक्ट का अलग ब्रांड है, लाइक लक्स, लाइक रिन, लाइक सर्फ एक्सेल, एट्सेट्रा. दैट इज नोन एज ब्रांडिंग. अनदर इज कस्टमर सपोर्ट सर्विस is another function of marketing. Nowadays, as we know, customers are kingpin of the market. They are important element of our business. Their each and every need and requirement is to be satisfied. Once we have sold the product to the customer, our task is not over. Even product has sold, we have to provide after sales services of the product. In present day business environment, customer is the kingpin, so customer satisfaction is the main motto of the business. So important function of marketing management refers to developing companies support services. एक आफ्टर सेल सर्विस देना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि whenever a customer wants to make any complaint, he must have its complaining centers, its after sales services center. That is the another function of marketing. Next, pricing of the product is another important element, because whenever a customer is purchasing a product, he will take care for the price. If heavy prices are there, he will think twice to purchase or not. Even if price is more, we must take into account that quality in that case. If good quality is there, then even customer may be ready to purchase that product. While designing the price or fixing the price, we have to see what are our objective. Objective may be to increase the sale, or objective may be to increase the profit. If objective is to increase the sale, we may sell more product at even lower price. and if our objective is to earn more profit, so we would not sell our product at lesser price, we will always charge higher price. Promotion and selling. Nowadays, as we know, goods is not produced at one place, goods is produced at one place, but it is consumed throughout the country, not in the country only, but abroad also. Then how people will come to know, people will come to know about the technique we are adopting to make the people aware. That all is done by promotional techniques. After production of the goods, the marketeer needs to offer these products to the customer. For this, he performs two basic functions. Number one is promotion and another two is selling. Promotion includes all the activities which are undertaken to communicate the customer about the product. प्रमोशन के थ्रू हम कस्टमर को अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताते हैं और उसके लिए एडवर्टीजमेंट इज द बेस्ट सोर्स. एडवर्टीजमेंट कैन बी डन थ्रू टीवी, एडवर्टीजमेंट कैन बी डन थ्रू पैम्पलेट्स, बाय वॉल पेंटिंग एक्सेट्रा. For promotion, marketer performs various functions such as advertisement, sales promotion, personal selling, etc. So this is the another function of marketing. Next is physical distribution. Physical distribution means goods is produced by producer and how to make it available to the ultimate customer. Is the producer will make the goods available to the customer or he will use different channel of distribution. So whatever channel of distribution are to be used in making the goods available to customer, that is known as physical distribution. Marketeer, that is producer, may sell his goods directly to the customer like Bata showrooms, or he may be used distributor, he may be used wholesaler, or he may be using retailer. Whatever it is, that is known as physical distribution. Now another important point is transportation. As we know, goods is produced at one place but it is to be consumed throughout the world. Then how the goods is to be made available to the customers, which transport we are going to use, road transport, water transport or air transport. Each and every transport has its own advantages and disadvantages. We have to choose that transportation system which makes the goods available within time and at a reasonable cost. Because if we are using like air transport, though goods will be available very soon, but its cost will be very high. So a proper transportation system we have to be used. Then storage and warehousing is another important function of marketing. As we know, some goods are there which are produced only in few months of the year, but they are consumed throughout the year. But there are some goods which are produced throughout the year, but they are used in a particular period only. For that, what do we need here? We need storage and warehousing, because warehousing will keep our goods safe from moisture, from insects, from rodents, from theft, etc. So proper warehousing and storage is required. That's all for the marketing function. Okay, what are the function of marketing? Thank you.